Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can watch Bally Sports on YouTube TV. So the Bally Sports is not available on YouTube TV. So if you want to check that, you can simply go to search and you can search here Bally Sports. And as you can see, there is no channel of Bally Sports on YouTube TV. You can also go to YouTube TV channel search and directly search there as well, but in their available TV channels. But Bally Sports is currently not available on YouTube TV. So if you want to watch it, you can watch it on any other streaming services like Fubo or any other services that offer Bally Sports. So I hope this was helpful and this answered your question. Thank you so much for watching.